Hello, guys. This is Umakant. We are having a awakening talk today. So most of the times, you see the Indian families. We see that people pretend to love. Okay, pretend to love. Why do people pretend to love? Actually, what is this pretension all about? So see, you have some extended family relationships. Okay, like your mother's side, your father's side, and from your father's side there is also some extension family. Your father's mother, father's brother, or father's sister, or your mother's brother or mother's sister. These are all called extended family relationships. So what happens in such relationships, and what happens while dealing with these people? So most of the times in India we see that the family meetings are very limited. Most now, because everybody is doing busy with their own work. What is happening is people are not meeting, and they are meeting only on few occasions. And whenever these relatives go to each other house, what is happening is that in order to welcome your fathers, if you are going to in order to welcome these relatives, people are putting a duplicate kind of feeling on their faces and welcoming them. So this kind of duplicate kind of feeling which we do in order to invite somebody when they come to our house is called as fabricated love or a fabricated behavior. So why this fabricated behavior has been developed? Look at this. Most we do not know how to express ourselves in a proper way. We do not feel the presence of another person very happily. Most of the times this fabrication has become a part of our life. If anybody or any individual is coming to your home, we say hi, hello, how are you, welcome, welcome, sit. So these are all called fabricated talks. We do this because we respect, because of the position of the relationship which we are carrying with this person. Okay, based on the position of the relationship which we carry with this person, we try to express, fabricate that kind of love in our faces. Okay, which is easily visible, and other person will also understand that I have to leave fast. So this is called okay, this is called as a fabricated love all about. And it is seen in the families, extended families members, when we go to their house, and in order to welcome you, and based on the position which you occupy in the family, these guys maintain this relationship with you, and they try to, okay, they try to respect you and try to treat you in a way wherein you like, uh, and it is a temporary kind of behavior which is changing. And the most of the times you will also observe that these relationships are temporary, and this relationship does not give you any kind of happiness. So you must understand, this has been cultivated in the families. You should, that you fabricate the way you speak, you fabricate the way you treat each other, you fabricate the way which to respond with each other. There is nothing which is coming out of you as a complete surrender or an openness. If somebody is coming, my heart should glow with happiness, my heart should glow with joy. So this joyous feeling, which has to be there in relationships, is not happening. People are not treating each other with joy. People are not meeting each other with happiness. There is some expectation, and people are unable to tolerate each other's presence. Even in one family, if you look at the tolerance level of each family members is very low. Why this is happening? See, everybody has to be guided on treating each other in a very friendly way, and there should be guided on how to appreciate the presence of another person in your life. Even if you're entering into a marriage relationship, it is most important that you appreciate the presence of another person in your life. It is not that someday you are feeling happy and the next day you are feeling sad. I've seen people, they change their opinions very easily in life. One day say they I love you, second day they say I don't love you, third day say they I like you, fourth day say I hate you. So this change, this shift is happening at a very fast pace. Why it is happening at a very fast pace? Because you do not know what you are feeling inside yourself. There is no personal expression of you. You have forgotten your true nature. Your true nature is love, but still you have been surrounded with so many false people, and now the emergence of false identity has arisen. The emergence of false behavior has arisen. The emergence of false face has arise. So what is happening is your complete representation of love has also become false. So with this state of mind, you are entering a relationship called marriage, you are entering a relationship called friend, you are entering a relationship wherein you are a son and daughter of somebody, and you are habituated to this fabricated behavior and compulsive behavior, what is happening? You do not enjoy the love. You do not enjoy any relationship. This will become a load to you, a burden to you. Over a period of time, relationships will become burden to you. Neither you will get respect in the society, neither you will get love in the society, neither you will get someone with whom you can express who you are. This is very bad. You will be telling lie to you continuously again and again and again. So this has become your habit, because you have been lying to yourself. Yourself does not recognize this, which is true and which is bad, which is wrong. So the self does this mistake again and again. So to express this, there is one story. There was a guy, okay, he was actually lying on a deathbed. So he asked his wife how this death looks like actually. So his wife tells him that when you die, your body will become cold. So this boy says he touches his feet and he touches all the parts of his body, and he feels that at one point of time his body has become cold. Now he feels that I am dead. So he just lies down there. And what happens? Suddenly 4 people come and he picks him up thinking that he is dead, and they also carry him to a village. And now this guy has to go to village, and they thought of burying him in a village graveyard. So while they were walking into the village, they lost the way, because these are the jungle ways. In olden days, villages were like this, you don't know where to go and where to reach. So at this time, these people were also lost. So while telling, he was seeing all these things from the bed, from the coffin, and he just woke up. He thought of telling them, these guys are not knowing the way to graveyard. So let me tell them that, what is the right way to graveyard. So he just woke up from the coffin and he told them, this is actually the right way to the graveyard. And I thought you are confused. So I thought of telling you this. So these guys, they were surprised by looking at this behavior of this man, They asked him, you are so foolish. You are just waking up from the coffin and you are not dead, but still you are pretending to be dead. What kind of a person you are? He told that, my wife told that my legs and hands will become cold. Then it is a expression that it is a symptom that I am dead. So I thought it is dead. So that's why when you came to pick up me also, I did not express my true feeling. So today I am being lying so much and so many times in my life that I do not know myself what is true and what is false. So this lying behavior has become common in my life. And even if I am telling truth, I require somebody to address me that I am really telling truth. This has become a part of my life. So the other people understands that this guy is a big liar. So much big liar that he does not understand the difference between what is a lie and what is the truth. So this is the common thing which most of the people, they don't know in which way they are lying themselves, and they don't know in which way they are telling truth. Their internal self has become so ruthless that they does not recognize its own purpose in own state, and it will keep on lying and at the same time keep on lying, and at the same time it is telling truth to you. But you have reached a state wherein you do not understand what you are trying to express. So what is your internal behavior? What is your internal state? So this is happening with most of the people. They do not understand themselves, at what time, what behavior they are trying to do, at what time they are loving some person, and at what time they are hating that person, and what time they are friendly with them. So this changing in behavior is happening because of your low internal states. You do not believe in yourselves. You do not have any commitment towards yourself, and you have no control towards your emotions. So guys, you have to take this into consideration. This is a high time when you have to have a fixed belief upon yourself. A self-love has to be there, a self-approval has to be there. Your thoughts should not be changing on each day, continuously, day in and day out. So guys, we'll speak about this topic once again, and be aware of such people who tell that today I love you, and second day they'll tell you, I don't love you. Third day they tell you I hate you, and the fourth day again they come and tell you I'm friendly with you. Fifth day they'll tell you that I'm feeling suicidal without you. So be aware with such people. And if there is some identity crisis happening within you, then you must change this. This is the high time. So this is Umakant, your life coach and mentor. We'll speak about such topics in my coming videos. See you guys. Enjoy my surroundings. Bye.